Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use the Magnifier widget on any kind of a view in React Native's new architecture for Android. So this is an Android specific video. Also the Magnifier widget can only be used on a native Android view, so it can't be used with React Native's view. I know React Native views are typically Android views itself, but the way Magnifier widget works is that we require hold of the native Android view. It can be native Android view, I mean it can be any kind of a view like an image view, text view, or scroll view, whatever you want. I have taken image view. So firstly I'll show you the output. So I'll just close all this stuff. So here you can see that I have one image view which is displaying some image, and this is a native image view. So if I try to put my finger on this image, here you can see it is able to zoom it for me. So this is the Magnifier widget which I am talking about. So yeah, let's see how to do this. Firstly, given that I am using the new architecture, we will have to go to this Fabric native component documentation, because I will be copying a lot of code from this. So first, here I have created a React Native project. Then I will have to enable the new architecture. For that I will just search for new arc enabled, and inside gradle.properties I have made that as true. Then I have created one folder called rtn my image view. Inside that I have created another file called package.json. Now this file I have just copy pasted it from the documentation itself. So if you go to the documentation, you can find this package.json file. Now only thing which I have changed is this name over here. We don't really require a pod spec, but anyways I have just added. So this name is also been changed, and this name has been changed. Then inside JS folder I have created the TypeScript file. Again I have copy pasted it from the docs. The prop has been removed because I am not passing any prop to this, and here only this name has been changed, called rtn my image view. Then I have created an Android folder. Inside that I have created this src main, okay, java com rtn my image view folder, and I also need to create this res drawable because that's where my image is located. So this is the image. Now if you are not using image view, if you are using text view, you don't require this res drawable as well as this particular image. Now coming back to this, firstly I have created this my image view package.kt. Again I have copy pasted everything from the documentation. Also here I have this build.gradle file which is outside this src main folder. Okay, it is in the Android folder. So again I have copy pasted this from the docs. Only this version number has been changed. Compile HDK is 34, main HDK is 24, target HDK is 34, and here I am using Kotlin standard lib 1.9.22. Coming back to our code, so I was just telling you that here again I have copy pasted this from docs. Only package name has been changed and this name has been changed. Then we'll go to my image view manager.kt. again I have copy pasted this from docs. Only package name has been changed, and here everywhere I have changed the name to my image view. So here you can see everywhere it has been changed to my image view, over here as well, over here as well. Rest everything remains the same. And here inside my image view.kt we are extending from app compat image view. So here I am just passing the name of our image file. So here it was lake for me, that's what I am passing, lake over here. Then here this Magnifier widget only works on above Android Q, on Android Q and above. So here all you have to do is do magnifier.builder. You can change the corner radius, elevation, initial zoom as well as size, and on touch of our image we are just showing this magnifier, and as soon as you remove your finger, I'm just dismissing our magnifier, and here we are just returning true. Then what you will have to do is you will have to open your terminal, go to the root of your React Native project, and firstly run this particular command. Then you will have to do cd ... it will move you outside your React Native project. Then you will have to run this command. Here you can just run it for Android, you don't require it for all platform because this is Android specific video. But here you will have to replace rnapp with your own project name. As you can see, my project name is rnapp over here as well as over here. Then you will have to cd to the main Android folder inside your terminal, and then run this particular command. So this will do code generation for Android. And now to use it, I have imported it something like this, and you can just create a component using like this. Change the width and height to whatever you feel like. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.